Having a tall and shapely figure definitely has its perks. It not only makes you look great in your outfits but also gives a boost to your confidence. But for some people, growth hormones don't seem to be working quite effectively, while others seem to have a sudden growth spurt. While genetics play a key role in the growth and development of your body, your height is an important aspect of your body's growth that should not be neglected. The kind of nutrients you consume also impacts the growth of your body largely. However, the prime age to increase your height and eat all the healthy nutrients is when you are younger. As grow older, your height barely increases. Certain foods can help you maintain a good height by improving your posture, increasing the bone density and making them stronger, and improving your joints. These foods also help in tissue repair and improving your immune system to reach the body's full potential growth. Here are 6 foods that will help you make taller and increase your height rapidly. Milk and dairy products, cheese, yogurt. Milk has all the nutrients necessary for height growth, and it should be included in the diet of every growing kid. It gives a significant boost to your height with the help of the nutrients, protein, and calcium present in it. Milk contains almost every single nutrient that your body needs. Cow milk is a rich source of protein, providing about 7.7 grams per each cup, 240 milliliters. Cow milk and dairy products are also rich in calcium and vitamin D, and adequate calcium intake is necessary for bone growth and skeletal development. Vitamin D is important for the absorption of calcium and the functioning of calcium in the body. Insufficient calcium intake through childhood or adolescence can lead to growth retardation and suboptimal peak bone mass. Eggs. One of the readily available foods with protein in abundance and the best food for height growth is eggs. It has many essential amino acids with an addition of 6 grams of protein along with several other vitamins and minerals benefiting your body. Eggs are supportive for the overall development of children and support their cell development and skeletal growth. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is an amazing vegetarian source of protein which is extremely important for increasing height and boosting muscle mass. Protein-rich foods such as oatmeal help in repairing bones and tissues, and also promote the creation of new tissues. Beans. Beans are rich in protein that provide you with all the right nutrients to boost your growth. Protein is essential for the body's growth. Beans are rich in iron and vitamin B and multiple nutrients that help in increasing your height. Fish. Fish is especially valuable for a beneficial height development because it's loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. 100 grams of salmon contains 2.3 grams of omega-3, as well as iron, calcium, phosphorus, selenium, and important vitamins. Omega-3 fatty acids help promote bone turnover to maximum growth, according to some research. Deficiency in these fatty acids may lead to growth issues and an increased risk of kids' sleep problems. Chicken. If you are trying to increase your height after the age of 25, then chicken is one of the best food options in this case. Chicken is one of the best natural sources of protein available, which helps build tissues and muscles. A person trying to increase height must consume at least 50 grams of chicken every day in order to load up on high-quality protein. Chicken provides vitamin B complex, loads of protein, and other imperative nutrients to your body. It also influences bone formation and growth because it is packed with an amino acid called taurine. Foods to avoid for height growth. Carbohydrates. Although carbohydrates are essential in providing the required energy, consuming them in excess may cause obesity and increase height. Therefore, consume carbs only in necessary quantity and not less or more. Fast food or processed food. As we all know, processed or fast food will only satisfy your taste buds, and they have very little nutritional value. So if you are looking for foods to grow height, it is best to avoid these foods. Sugar. Sugar is another ingredient that adds taste to dishes but does more harm than good when taken in excess. Avoid foods such as chocolates, cookies that are high in sugar but low in nutrition. These foods don't leave enough room for nutritious food. Soda. Sodas are very harmful to your body irrespective of if you want to grow height or no. These drinks tamper with your body's ability to absorb nutrients. Conclusion. Although the height as an adult depends largely on genetics, nutrition plays an essential role in height growth and development. Following a balanced diet with an adequate intake of macro and micronutrients can help you grow taller and maintain your height. It also benefits your overall health. Follow our 6 tips to keep your bones healthy. Including a wide range of nutrient-rich foods can help to give your body all the nutrients it needs for a healthy bone and height development.